How is everyone doing today? I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy, and this is Mystery Plate Package 308. Sounds like there's 2 plates in here. You guys been watching all my videos? You watch me on Facebook, Instagram, somewhere else? I don't know where I'll post this, but you should be watching on YouTube. That's where the special features happen. That's where we learn something about all these plates behind me. So check it out. But if not, let's see what's in here. First up, we got this cool looking, oh, it's blue. Baby blue. Low speed. 1, 4, 6, 7. Wisconsin. I can't go that slow. That was pretty cool. Let's throw it on the wall real quick. Oh, shit. The other one fell to the floor. Sorry about that. It is what it is. Sorry, license plate. Okay. It's been a long day, even longer week. So we're going to film a few of these because it's the best stress reliever in the world, right? Mystery plate package. Okay, we got one more hiding in here. What's going on here? Huh. Whoa. Iraq military. Now that's a cool plate. Cool little triangle on there, whatever these symbols mean. Mystery plate package 308. Impressive as can be. We're gonna put this guy right here, front line and center, because that's super cool indeed. And if you want to know more about that plate and that low speed plate, make sure you keep watching all the way to the special features. So that's where I'm going right now. Woo! Special features. Mystery plate package 308. This one's going to be a little longer because there's 2 plates in that envelope for some reason. First up, this one above my head. Low speed. Cool, kind of like baby blue color. Wisconsin. We found a handful of low speeds throughout the U.S. This first one, Alabama, is boring. Black and white. You know, it is whatever. Next one on the list, Alaska. It's on its normal blue and yellow base. But it's got these cool red stripes down both sides. Let you know, slow down because this thing ain't going fast. It's low speed. What else we got to show you? Georgia. Georgia's this bright pink. Well, Pepto-Bismol pink. Low speed vehicle. Make sure you slow down. You don't want to hit this thing. Next one up, Illinois, is like almost all orange with a little bit of gray down the side. Maybe like the outline of the state or something like that. Next one's boring as can be. Maryland. New Jersey. It's on its normal base. Sorry, that's what happens. It's just like that. Oregon, I'm pretty sure this is normal base. LS 300. Sounds like a sweet engine or something. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. But Oregon, yeah, it's up there. Rhode Island, you just don't see those. It's got the little orange octagonal shaped thingy in the middle there. Slow down. Low speed. There's no high speeds going on here because it's low speed. What else we got to show you? South Carolina, boring, black and white. South Dakota, it's on its normal base. Low speed vehicle, slow down. And one more to show you. Tennessee, my girl. Made me think of Macaulay Culkin. Watch out for them bees. It's low speed, just run away, they won't catch you. So that's it, Wisconsin, low speed. The other plate on our special features, mystery plate package, 308. Iraqi Army. Check that bad boy out. Some font I don't know how to read and a triangle at the end. I found like another Army one. And one that's the Republican Guard, maybe something like that. A little bit different. It's more of a green than a black. And I found this Iraqi anti-counter terrorism or something like that. It's a cool looking plate. Sharp, black and yellow, black and yellow. I like it. It's Iraqi Army. I don't even know where I got it. Must have been at the plate meet. I totally forgot about it. It was a super awesome surprise. Mystery plate package, 308 special features. I'm only the crazy license plate guy. Have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Don't go too fast. Go low speed. Watch out for them slow moving tractors and houses and whatever else is on the road. And watch out for the Army. You never know what's going to happen. Get in trouble. Have some fun. Do whatever you want. It's your own life. But hit that subscribe button. Okay. Till next time. Woo! Shout out again to alpka.org for hooking me up and supplying me with some pictures fresh from the archives. Become a member today, alpka.org. Collect license plates, get the magazine, go to license plate conventions, learn about cool history. Do it. What are you waiting for? Have an awesome day, everyone. Mystery plate package, special features, 308. I'm out. Hey, cool, Alaska.